Hello, I'm Chuck Smith, the Sales and Marketing Manager for RDL. We're here at InfoComm 2026 in beautiful Las Vegas, and I want to show you a couple of new products that we're showing at the show today. Showing at the show. Over here are these four products on the lower part of this display panel are our new RURN series of Dante interfaces. They have some similar features, but I'll point out the variations between the four here in just a minute. These are our rack up series, and of course they can be racked up or they can be placed on flat surfaces. They have a special mounting bracket on the backside that allows them to be mounted to a wall or any flat surface or even a ceiling. Now, we introduced our rack up interfaces 12, 13 years ago that were all physically configured. These models are an upgrade. They are all software configured and they have essential DSP functions built in. For example, they have software configurable gain for both mic and line inputs, which each input can be configured individually. You can select P48 Phantom. They have various filters, high pass, low pass. Any of these products that have actual analog inputs have a full analog compressor limiter circuitry built in. But what's really amazing about these products is every input, be it analog or Dante channel, and every output have a virtual 4x1 mixer, which means you could technically mix a analog input with a returning Dante channel. So if you had a Dante channel, for example, maybe you're broadcasting to all four outputs, some background music, you could have a fitness instructor in four different zones, each wearing a belt pack microphone, and you could actually mix their signal over the Dante signal to get that perfect balance. So let me explain to you the differences between the four models. The first one is the RU-RN44 mic line bidirectional network interface. So this is a 4 in, 4 out, 4 analog in to Dante, and then 4 Dante to analog out. And this one in particular is all terminal block connectors. The next one, you're going to see a mix of terminal block connectors and XLRs, which is the same on all the remaining three. So I'll turn this back around and show you the feature difference. The next one is the RU-RN22, very similar to the 44, but with 2 inputs, 2 outputs, again selectable on either mic or terminal block connectors. This is the RU-RN40, which is mic line to Dante channels. And then the last one is the opposite, the RU-RN04, which is 4 Dante channels to micro line output. And again, any of the analog inputs or outputs are individually selectable. They're all completely configured and controlled from our RDL console software or other manufacturers' control software, as well as our network remote controls. And if you're here at the show, I'd welcome you to stop by our booth and see these firsthand. Thank you.